Can you really trust a virtual assistant with your business and even your finances? That's the big question most entrepreneurs ask. And it's the same question I asked when I hired my first VA. Will they understand your culture? Will they communicate clearly? Can someone thousands of miles away actually protect your business the way you would? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you can trust them, how to set safeguards, and how to turn your VA into one of your most loyal business assets. And I know this because I've worked with more than 2,000 virtual assistants over the past 15 years. I've seen what works, what doesn't, and how trust is built. So let's break this down. Number one reason why you can trust them. One, the country that I feel that they have the most integrity and honesty among all the people that I've met with so far. So what I'm sharing with you is, yes, you can trust them. Number two, somebody asked me, can they speak English? I say yes, because in Philippines, college degree is actually free. For most of the college degree, they are free. So what you were looking for is somebody who speaks really good English and have a college degree graduate. So their English is actually really good. Number three, I've been working with virtual assistant for a long time. We have staff about 2,000 plus virtual assistant. Do we have some bad apples? Of course, it's a business, right? Nothing's perfect. We have maybe less than 5 virtual assistants that we run into some challenges, right, with money, but never more than $5,000, I would say. You should always trust, but verify, and make sure that they are well trusted for a while before you give them all those detailed information. Number four, how can I trust my virtual assistant? Do you know that when you're hiring a foreign worker, you do not have to worry about discrimination, human rights, and anything like that, especially they're in another country and they're virtual. So what do? We actually have a software that screenshot what they're working on every 10 minutes from their computer, and also the keystroke, just so that we know whether they're productive or not. With this technology, you can see what are they working on. Number five, how do you make sure that you can trust them? Communication, over communication. So what do? I tell them, when you come in, tell me good morning. When you're taking a break, tell me you're taking a break. When you're going home at night, tell me that you're going home at night. When you're communicating, you get to know each other more and you get to understand each other more. Then you will form that trust and the understanding. Yes, actually in Philippines, there's a lot of certified CPA that has worked in the US company before, or like QuickBook Pro advisor. There's a lot of Filipino that are QuickBook Pro advisor. So you can trust them on accounting information. And just the most important piece is please make sure that you create safeguard, like your bank account only have view-only access, right? And when they are doing data entry on their books, it's just based on book online. Do make sure that you do not give them your main account access so that they cannot go in and transfer money out. Last but not least is that if you want them to be truly trusted, give them the trust first. They are actually skeptical at the very beginning. So if you give them the trust first and they realize that, wow, you really trust them, they will give you even more. And majority of them is yearning to find a really good client. So if they found a good client, which is you, they will never do anything to jeopardize that. That's the reason why Monique has been with me for, this is actually the 13 years that she is working with me. And I'm very proud that I'm with her and she has everything about my company. That's how much I trust her. If you have stayed all the way till now, let me give you one more bonus. In Philippines, there's this thing called the CBIS, and you can get the Filipino to go to their city and ask for a background check report that you can have, okay? And in the report, it will show you the proof that they did not have any background. In United States, we have background check. In Philippines, they also have background check. So that background check will allow you to trust them even more. One last bonus. When you hire them, always make sure that your payroll is 1 or 2 weeks behind. So ultimately, they will not do anything wrong to you because at any given time, you can hold their paycheck to ensure that things are done the right way. And if they want to resign, they have to resign the right way too. Yes, by start trusting your virtual assistant or trusting yourself, that you'll find a really amazing virtual assistant and life will never be the same. I look forward to talking to you soon. This is Phyllis. See you on the next video.